Like I won't do no hate, cause I know you will. 2 hoes with me, Lou will. Big bankroll, all new bills. About to buy a rib, cost me 2 mil. About to get you dropped, that don't cost nothing.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Jay, and I'm back at y'all with another video. And I'm back at y'all with a tech video. I don't know if you watched my last video or not, but if you haven't, go ahead and check that out. My back to school, get ready with me routine. But first of all, we're gonna go ahead and get into Frontal and click on plain image and custom. And I always change mine to 1280 by 720, and that's what you need to do for yours as well if you're making this for a YouTube video. So go ahead and change that to 1280 by 720, and then click on use. Then you're gonna click on the 3 lines on the bottom left and click on add image. And just I already have mine saved to my phone, but if you want to like go ahead and search one up on Google, search a background, I just searched Tumblr abstract backgrounds, and that's what I always use. Whenever you see like a background, I just search the same thing and just pick from that. And I'm just stretching it out so that it fit my dimensions that I already preset. So yeah. I don't know about y'all, but I always used to have like the hardest time just trying to make my edges line up. Like, cause when I saved my my picture from Frontal, it was never like lined up correctly. But now I'm gonna just add some text, and I'm gonna just do like how to glitch effect. And I'm using soft marshmallow that I downloaded from thefont.com. So I'm gonna leave the website to the font in the description box. And I'm also leave a link for Frontal. See, I'm just showing you. Like, I was trying to pick a different. Oh, I so lied. I didn't use soft marshmallow. I used road rage from thefont.com though. So same site, just different font. And then I'm gonna go ahead and like switch it up because I don't think I want it to look like this. I'm gonna change how the colors look and everything. Yeah, right here. So I'm about to get ready and switch up my colors. I'm going to do like a gradient effect. So what you do is click on the bottom 3 lines, and then I think I say like create your own or something like that. So it's 2 boxes already highlighted. Just pick your colors, and then I chose to do a 3rd box of colors so it'd be like a real pretty gradient effect. See how I just chose the 3rd box now. Trying to see what colors I want. And then you can change how the ombre go, if it goes from vertical, like up and down, or it goes left and right horizontally. But I chose to make mine be vertical, and you change that option at the top where you see save and apply, and then it's vertical right next to it. That green and red was kind of straight, but I was like, I don't know. But then that green, red, and yellow look like fire. Oh, and then I added a stroke so that it just thicken it up, and I always use white or black. Those the ones are like my go-tos. So I used white on this one, and then we're just gonna put that on there. And then I'm gonna add my name, of course, because we gotta know who this effect is by, who the tutorial is by. The effect isn't by me, just the tutorial is by me. I don't want to be taking credit for the wrong thing now. And by the way, if you're wondering why it's taking me like so long to get to the point, this was actually my first time doing this effect as I'm recording it. But I'm just like, I could do this. Just watch. So this kind of like a look and learn all at once. But on this one, I used the soft marshmallow font from the font. So that's when I used it. And then I'm going to end up changing my colors to, I think, pink. Was white, and then I changed my stroke to pink. So always have a stroke, and then just change the color stroke based upon what you want. I chose to use different fonts because I think like that's what works when it comes to like thumbnails and make them pop in and eye catching and stuff like that. So now we're just gonna save the picture from Frontal straight to our camera roll, then exit out of that. Don't need to see that ad. We don't need to see that. I'm going in the glitch video, but we don't need that just yet. I was actually jumping the gun on this one. I was too ahead of myself. See, I'm looking like, where's the picture that we just had to remember it. Go to iMovie first. Click on new project, movie, and then we're going to click on our picture that we just saved. Good handy dandy picture. And then we're going to save it at that time right there. I'm just going to use like 6-7 seconds because I'm using a copywritten song, I think. No, actually I'm using a free song, but just in case if you're using the copywritten one, it don't even need to be that long anyways. And I think for the glitch effect that it looks cooler when it's short like that. So then you're just gonna go ahead and save that movie to your phone as well. And now go into the glitch video app. And I'll leave a link to that in my description box as well. And you're gonna click on the record button in the top right hand corner. Go to your camera roll, select your video of the image that you created. And then on the screen, you just swipe like to the left and to the right, and it'll show like different glitch effects. And so I ended up choosing, I think that one. I don't really know which one it's called though. But in order to save the glitch, you're going to want to click on the red record button, and then it's going to record the screen as it's happening. And you're just going to keep tapping, tapping, tapping whenever you want it to glitch. So just tap the screen when you want the glitch effect to happen, you know what I'm saying, take place. So you see me recording now. Tap and tap. Okay, and then I did an extra tap, so that's why it's gonna say error, but don't pay attention to that because I was kind of confused when I first did it, but the finished product is saved straight to my camera roll automatically. So that's what I'm about to go check out now to go see like where did it go. So it's in my camera roll. I just had to make sure. So let me show y'all. Good glitch effect. And if you want to see how I add music to my videos in iMovie, I got a video coming up on that one. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.